Hi there, this is ibbathguru, and today I'll take you on a luxurious virtual tour of one of the most amazing brands located inside Luxury Living Group at Milan. I visited to witness the true experience of premium and luxury furniture. The Versace Home Collection is a result of the collaboration between Versace and Luxury Living Group. Most of their products are inspired by Greek patterns, which is evident in the intricate designs and motifs used throughout the collection. The Versace world is revealed room by room in a succession of atmospheres that speak of its extraordinary ability to draw on different artistic expressions and transform them into a livable reality. As you explore the collection, you'll notice the iconic Medusa symbol everywhere. Each room exudes luxury, glamour, and sophistication. From statement furniture pieces to intricate decor details, the Versace Home Collection truly embodies the brand's vision. So follow me at ibbathguru for more luxury content like this.